So in this video, what we're going to do is we're going to look at something called the Reshape Tool. Now, again, you may not have it already in your palette like I do. So where you add it is it's under Modify and Reshape. So click on those three dots, find where it says Modify, click and drag that to anywhere that you want. Let's take a look at what it does. So it's really great when you're using it in lines. It is really finicky when you use it in shapes. But with lines, it's really great because I can simply now, I have my line drawn, I can simply just, using my Reshape tool, click and drag over top of this, and you can see now I can bend this. So let's create a nice little curve here like this. Really great way to use this. Now, what I like to do is pair this with maybe some width profiles, and now I have this really nice width changing line, and I didn't really do all that much. So let's draw another one. And let's go into my Reshape tool, and let's just do one. So maybe something like this, and let's change this to more of the pointed end, and you can see now I've got that. And again, what I like and what I try to show you is that it doesn't need to be really super complicated for this to work. So this is just the Reshape tool specifically with a line. When we get into shapes and using Reshape tool, it's a whole different thing. It's a little bit different to use it. It's a little bit more finicky. So I don't want to go into that in this video. But so this is how you use the Reshape tool inside of Illustrator.